Welcome to my channel, where I'll explain to you about the Slimming World SP plan. So, what does it mean? There's a lot of confusion about what the Slimming World SP plan entails, so I'm going to try and simplify it in this video. Now, Extra Easy SP Slimming World say was made for those times where you want to turbocharge your results on the scales. They say Extra Easy SP puts more of a focus on protein-rich foods and those beautifully satisfying speed foods, and they say it's a match made in weight loss heaven. So coming up in a second, you're going to see an SP plate to illustrate what a typical breakfast, lunch or dinner should look like. So I've split the plate into two as it comprises of two parts, 50% speed food and 50% protein food. These will be illustrated in your Slimming World book with an S or a P symbol. Coming up now, you'll see examples of speed foods to include fruits and vegetables, and also protein foods to include things such as eggs, meat, corn and fish. In addition to this, you also allowed your healthy A choice, which is a calcium-rich choice, and not just one but two healthy B choices, which if used wisely are a godsend on a lower carb plan. Finally, the book says you can have your 5 to 15 sins as usual, and the wording as usual can be interpreted in more than one way, which is the area that leads to confusion on this plan. The website provides a sample SP week, but this doesn't include any sins, which doesn't help to clarify this answer. Now, sins are defined as anything which isn't a free food. So that leads me to question, how do we sin foods are free? As certain free foods are off limits on the SP plan, surely that means they are no longer defined as a free food. Now, the Slimming World book asks if you can have other free foods on SP days. And the answer in short is yes, but they say to truly boost your weight loss, you should stick with SP foods 100%. Now, I've spoken to two Slimming World consultants who have given me differing answers regarding SIMs on the SP plan. In my personal opinion, I believe that SP can be as strict or as relaxed as you want, depending on what works for you. Some people will choose to have no sins on SP plan, and others will have sins. I personally believe you can have your sins, as the book states you can, and if you only stick to speed or protein foods, then what can you use your usual sins for? If you do want to sin free foods, and they are specified as free online, I will go by the general rule that 20 calories is equal to one sin. This is a general consensus in every forum I've read about this on the internet. This is my interpretation with the SP plan, and I appreciate people may disagree with my opinion, but the most important thing in my opinion is finding what works individually for you and your weight loss. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like what you saw, please do like, comment and subscribe.